Hey, so the connection is very easy. So if you go to ClinikoConnect.com, you'll see this page. Click on sign up, it's free. And once you sign up, you will land on our dashboard that shows all the connections that we have available. Now for Jane is the first one. You need to provide two things. And if you don't know what these things are, we have this little info button that you can click on, and it will actually show you a video of like what that means, how to get that. Same for the private integration key, so you can click on this, it will show you a tutorial on how to get that. Once you paste these two in here and click on add a new Jane connection, it will bring up the subscription, Stripe subscription, and as you can see, it's a 7-day free trial. Then you will get charged $40 per month for that connection. And after you do the payment, you will basically be provided with a Jane login page. That's how you log into your Jane. So you just provide your Jane credentials to log into Jane, and once that is successful, the sync will start.